Today I'm with Bill. How you doing, Bill? Where are we going to today?
We're going to go through Angeles Crest to Newcombs Ranch.
I've never been to Newcombs Ranch. I'm really excited.
I've been once.
Let's go. All right, we are off to a horrible start. Yes, we're headed to Newcombs Ranch. It's about 100 miles away, hour and a half, 2 hours. I don't even know, man. It's going to be a long day. Look at the balloons, dude. Dude's got balloons hanging out the window. Gas. Oh, what a waste. Right on, man. Look at this thing. Don Julio tequila. Now we're talking. It's going to be a good day. As usual, I'm going to tell you a little bit about the place that we're going to today, Newcombs Ranch. Now, bear with me, dude. I'm just going to kind of brush by this. The Newcombs Ranch that we're going to was founded in 1939. Since 1939, it has changed so many times. It's been a restaurant. It's been a hotel. It's been a general store. It's even been a whorehouse. Well, it's no longer a whorehouse. It's now a restaurant. The structure used to be a lot bigger than what we're going to see today. In 1979, there was a big fire and it just destroyed the place. But for the most part, it's been rebuilt and is operating as a restaurant. Now, no longer is anyone by the name of Newcombs own the spot. It's now owned by a dude named Frederick Rundall, who is totally in love with nature and is passionate about the mountains and all that. So this place is really good for him. Now, what's fun about Newcombs Ranch and why it's relevant to what we're doing is because it's a huge motorcycle hangout. Motorcyclists from all over the place make their pilgrimage to Newcombs Ranch. Why? Because it's plopped right down on the mountains on the world famous Angeles Crest Highway. A lot of you guys know that I'm not really big on canyon roads. You know, I just kind of think they're super dangerous and shit. I'm not going to preach to you, but I'm probably going to take it easy a little bit. So don't expect too much canyon riding, but maybe. Anyway, that's where we're going today, Newcombs Ranch. Stick around, this one should be fun. Out of my way, Prius. Always a Prius. There's an Instagram page that's pretty funny. It's called Left Lane Prius. It's all those damn Priuses sit in a fast lane and go below the speed limit. It's hilarious. See if I can hit them before all these things fall off. Bill used to ride a big old Hayabusa. I don't know, some of you guys might remember it. One of the very first videos I made, I rode his bike and had a little bit of fun with it for sure. Now he's on that Super Moto. It's a good looking ride, man. Good looking ride. Nasty fire over there, man. Oh shit, it's a brush fire, man. That mountain's on fire over there. That sucks. Ranch. Don't mind if I do. Newcombs Ranch, dude. I don't think I've ever been here. The turkey sandwich and the chili. And you got, what, a tuna sandwich and chili?
Chili.
All bullshit aside, the sandwich is okay. However, the chili, probably the best chili I ever had.
Yeah, definitely amazing.